Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MOHD and my metric number is DE 2036. So I will introduce my others member from group 4. METHAGANESHPATHY, anak lelaki Ganapathy, CE 200157, and Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad SAFIE, AE 200100, and the last member is Muhammad Alif Aiman bin Abdullah, DE 190090. So this is my part for doing this, and then this schematic just refer to the lab sheet, and then uh, click the PCB layout, and then just click this one, 2D graphic box, and then click it. Right, so this will be appear, and then just zoom in. So we need to put the component into this. So just click on tools, and then auto placer, and then just click all the component in here, and then just click OK. So it will be appear like this. So there is before routing. So the all component in here must have inside here. So just drag them to look more easy to see the component. So that's all from me for my part. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Shafi'i. My metric number AE200100. So for my part, I will explain about how to start routing the PCB. Okay, first step is we need to click this button, Design Rule Manager, and press Net Classes. For net class, you can choose for power. I choose the red line, top copper, red line, and the next style I choose T20 and V20, and for signal, for bottom copper I choose blue line, and the trace style is T50 and next style T70, and then I press OK. Then we click this button, auto router, to begin routing, and this button will appear. Just click it, and the router will appear here. So we can adjust the size for the router by playing with this button here, trace style and next style. And to make this number disappear, we can click here. Okay, so next to create the PDF file, we can click output. We can click output and then export graphics and choose export Adobe PDF file. Click OK and the PDF file will appear. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello doctor, my name is METHAGANESHPATHY, CE 200.157. Today I'm going to talk about the discussion of the lab 2. First of all, the application of Proteus arrays was taught by our lecturer. So in order to use, the circuit was used in the lab 1 was used in this lab with the slide change. The battery was changed into the Veropin, and the diode was changed into the LED. Other components remained unchanged, so as the values. After that, the circuit was exported to the PCB layout. The components were exported or can be copy-paste to the layout of the PCB. So the components were listed down at the component list, which was used in the schematic diagram. So after that, every component was chosen and placed in the PCB layout. We can choose the component name and just choose and just paste in the PCB layout. The component will appear with a wiring. So when the component were placing into the layout, the connection wire will appear together. So in order to make it simple circuit, all components were arranged accordingly. After arranging, the PCB layout will be in the stage of before routing. So basically in the wire stages, then we need to choose the auto router, which is located at the top bottom right corner, and it was clicked to the root to route the circuit into the real PCB layout. After that, the 3D visualizer was used to see the real PCB board layout with and without components in a different angle. So to export the PCB layout to PDF, back to PCB layout, we need to go back to the PCB layout, click the output option on the top left corner, and click the graphic option and select the Adobe PDF. Then the file will be saved in PDF format. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Alif Aiman bin Abdullah, metric number DE190090. Today I would like to present for the conclusion for the lab 2. In conclusion, from this lab, we are able to know the method of designing PCB, printed circuit board, using Proteus RS. We get to learn step to step on how to develop a layout for PCB. Proteus has the integrated RS PCB designing suite that we can use to develop the PCB layout. Proteus PCB software combines schematic capture and PCB layout module to provide an affordable, powerful, and easy to use suite of tools for professional PCB design. At the end of this lab, we are able to develop the PCB layout from the circuit we built in on previous lab using schematic capture design. We are also able to print out the circuit PDF file using export graphic tool. That's all. Thank you.